Okay, so here we are. What we've got is the line following racetrack, as you can see. And we have, looks like a starting gate there. Let's take a look at the team members. So we've got the three people who designed this circuit, and we're going to have them explain to us how it works. First, I'll let you look at, we've got some sensors. We've got some kind of a gate thing with a box on the top. And we've got some sort of a box with a display and some batteries. So I'll let you tell me and show me how this thing works. Who's going to be the spokesperson?
Ryan, would you please
Looks like I'm the spokesperson. So basically, we use an Arduino board, programmed it in C++ programming language. We have our leads over here, which power our IRs, as well as we have an output wire here, which all we have to do is something crosses the IRs here on the track. So you just go across like this. And over here on the display, in the LCD, we have it counting in milliseconds, seconds, and minutes over here.
Okay, I can see it timing right now. So we're at 12 seconds and it's flashing, of course, too fast to read.
Yes, the milliseconds are actually perfect.
Okay.
And I can stop it as soon as the Bobot or 3Pi goes around the track,
Right.
crosses it again.
Okay, so it's
Stops
stopped
the
at
time.
22,716.
So
So that's milliseconds.
That is your milliseconds right here, 716,
And the
22
zero,
seconds, and 0 minutes.
0 is the minutes.
And we also
Wow.
have a reset button,
Just manually reset it.
manual
Okay,
reset button right here.
okay, hit it.
Press that, clears out the time.
And if you want to start it over again, all you have to do is just start back at scratch and it'll start your time over again.
Cool. Great project, guys. Thank you very much.
No
All right.
problem.